Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making catfish nuggets in the air fryer. Here, I'm just placing my catfish nuggets in a bowl. I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar in there with some water and let them soak. That's how I clean my meat. And after that, I'm going to rinse it off and then season the meat. Now that my meat is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and season it. I'm just using some of the Creole seasoning and Old Bay seasoning. And then once the meat is seasoned, I'm going to coat it in the breading. I'm adding my breading to a gallon size ziploc bag. That's what I'm going to use to coat my fish. I'm using the Louisiana Cajun fish fry. I think this was the spicy one and it was really good, but if you don't like spicy food, just use the regular one, or you can use whatever breading you like. I'm going to be frying my fish in batches, so I'm just placing a few pieces of the fish in the bag, coated in the breading, and then I'm going to put it in my air fryer basket. Before adding your fish to the basket, you should spray it down with some type of oil to help it not stick. I didn't have any oil spray, so I'm just putting some oil on a sheet of paper towel and rubbing that in the inside of my basket. Now I'm going to place my fish in the air fryer and I'm going to let it cook at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. This is what the fish looks like once it's halfway done. I'm just taking it out to see if I need to flip the pieces over. And I did end up flipping them over to have them cook evenly on both sides. I did realize on my second and third batch that there really wasn't a point in flipping them over. You can just let it cook all the way through. After cooking for the full 15 minutes, this is what the fish looks like.
Ryan Little.
And this is the finished product. It came out really good, and I'm happy that I'm able to have a piece of fried fish without all of the oil. So if you're looking for like a healthier alternative to making fried fish, I think that this is a good option. Thank you for watching. Let me know what other videos you would like to see, and please like, comment, and subscribe.